Hey my Dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm going to talk about sheet masks. You guys know of late I have been a lot into sheet masks. I keep uploading my sheet mask stories on my Instagram. Also, I don't get time to go for a full-fledged mask. So I don't have any help at home currently because of the COVID situation, and I have to do all the work like cooking and all my chores and then editing and shooting. So my entire day is packed. So the sheet masks really help me in this time crunch, and they give me the perfect amount of hydration and nourishment that my skin needs. So today I'm going to talk about the L'Oreal Paris new launch. It is their L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence Sheet Mask. This is the only mask that has essence which claims to penetrate 10 layers deep into the skin, and it gives brighter crystal clear skin. So when it talks about 10 layers, it talks about the sub layers of our skin as well. So it also claims to hold so much essence in it that it moisturizes and nourishes and hydrates the skin for up to 48 hours. Now I'm going to apply this and I'm going to talk to you about why this one is so special. This sheet mask is very thin, and it is very breathable, and it's super lightweight. The mask doesn't feel sticky at all. It feels very lightweight and almost water-like, and it feels like it's gonna go deep into my skin. So the fabric feels like sponge cotton, and it absorbs the product better, and it heightens and accelerates the power of micro essence. Also, what you can do is you can combine these two. What I mean by that is you can use the L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence. You can use 4 to 5 drops of it all over your face in the morning, and in the evening what you can do is you can apply the face mask, and when it gets fully absorbed, then you can apply the L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence and apply 4 to 5 drops of it all over your face. The combination of these two leave my skin feeling very hydrated, clear, and very glowing. So my skin looks very hydrated, it looks very glowy and radiant. This mask absorbs 30 times more essence, which leads to less dripping and leaves the skin feeling hydrated up to 48 hours. So the mask is very easy to apply, and it deeply hydrates my skin. And if you have oily skin or dry skin or normal skin, this product is suitable for all skin types. You can use the mask as and when required, but they recommend that you use it 3 times a week. These sheet masks are priced at 150 rupees. These masks are available in a box of 5, and I'm going to mention the links in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. That was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and go ahead and try this product and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. Alright guys, so I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.